scoot over. Scoot over. Where am I supposed to sit? Lucky, scoot. Scoot? Scoot. Oh, alright. Hey guys, how's it going? Let me bring you a little bit closer. You guys are pretty far away. Let's make this a little more intimate. There we go. How does this look? Does this look good? Yep. Yeah, that's pretty good. Can you guys see us? Can you see? I imagine it's probably a little dark in here, but we'll work with it. Anyway, how's it going, guys? Good to see you again. Today's episode will be filmed all indoors because the weather here in New England is just quite it's really bad. So today we're not going to be fishing. We're going to be doing a little unboxing. My second favorite thing to do next to fishing is unboxing things. I love opening up packages, and that's a little bit of sarcasm, but also a little bit of truth. I actually haven't filmed an unboxing in probably, it's been like 4 years now, 3 years now, give or take. It used to be like what my channel was all about, especially in the wintertime in Illinois. Wasn't really feeling the ice fishing vibe, so we would do a lot of unboxings. I think you guys really enjoyed them, so I decided to do one today. But today's unboxing is pretty unique. It's actually kind of a throwback unboxing. I don't know if you guys remember, but I believe it was 3 years ago. I filmed a video with my buddy 1rod1reel, or as some people call him, Mikey Boy. Mike, of course, is a part of the Googan squad, and when he was the OG member, we decided to do this kind of creative video where he buys me lures and I buy him lures, and we both fish with the lures that we bought each other. But the twist is that the opponent had to buy the other person the shittiest, the crappiest, the worst possible lures they could find on the internet. So instead of, you know, helping Mike out, I sent him some pretty dusty lures, which you guys probably saw in his video, and if you haven't, check down below. And then what I have in my lap right here is all the lures that Mike sent me. So the objective is to unbox these, figure out what we're working with, and then take these lures to a pond, a creek, a stream, maybe the Atlantic Ocean, and try to catch some fish on them. All right, let's open up these boxes. All right, Mike, you little asshole, what'd you send me? I'm thinking you did your worst on this one. The last one was pretty bad, but it could have been worse. Like, I watched the video that he posted of all the lures that I sent him, and I regret not going as hard as he did. I made sure of it this time to really screw him over, and I'm hoping he didn't keep the same theme for the lures that he sent me. Yeah, let's get right into this. Let's get right into this unboxing. God, I love unboxings. First package we have here is from TWH. Let's open this up. There's a total of 4 packages here, so I think one of these has 2 lures in it because it's a 5 lure challenge. All right, here we go. Oh, wow. Okay, well, okay, so the first lure is pretty interesting. I wouldn't call it awful. I wouldn't call it a bad lure, but it's unique, maybe a little bit ridiculous, maybe a little bit out there. This is a little spider lure. It's the Phantom Spider by Lunker. I've actually seen people catch fish on this lure, so I'm not feeling too discouraged about this one. Mike, this is weak sauce. I hope this is not your worst bait that you sent me, because this right here is gonna get bit. Hundo PP. Spiders. I gotta catch a fish on a spider. Preferably a largemouth or a smallmouth. Maybe a muskie. I don't know. We'll figure that out later. I gotta get a little comfortable here. This is kind of a tight spot. Here, give me a second. Lucky, what are you doing? My little unboxing buddy's rolling around. What are you doing? This package is from southeastern Florida. I'm guessing this is an Amazon package because this is an address I don't recognize. Definitely like some sort of swim bait. Or, I don't know. It's in a clam package. Oh, dude, this isn't that bad. I expected these lures to be way, way worse. And I wonder if Mike was thinking that I was gonna send him like not so bad lures either. I'm starting to feel kind of bad because the lures I sent him are like a trillion times worse than these 2 baits that I have in my hand here. This isn't bad. This is a little live target swim bait, gizzard shad. I mean, it's not my favorite lure. I'd prefer to throw like a little paddle tail, but this looks good. Oh no, I'm starting to feel kind of guilty now because I sent Mike some really terrible lures. Well, we got 2 down. These aren't bad. I'll take it. It's going a lot better than planned. I still feel like Mike sent me something really nasty here. All right, the package, I haven't even seen the bait yet, but the package is all in Japanese. And yeah, this one should be interesting. Okay, I'm not even gonna look at it. What is it? Oh shit. Definitely like rattles. This one's gonna be ludicrous. I can just tell by like all the moving sounds I'm hearing right now. Oh my god! Oh, you little saucy bitch, Mike. What the fuck? I actually want to open this up. That's how excited I am. Where did you get this thing? I spoke too soon. He came in with the heavy hammer. What we have right here is some sort of Japanese lure. It's a tadpole with, God, this actually looks terrible. Oh, man. That's messed up, dude. Like, I've never seen anything like this. Dude, Mike, where'd you find this? I'm intrigued. I'm a lure guy. I like lures. I'm a lure head. I like collecting lures that I probably never use. And this one, honestly, is probably up there with the weirdest one I've ever seen. It's a tadpole lure, I believe. I think that's what it's supposed to imitate. That or it's imitating like a little sperm with a treble hook. Either or, it looks delicious. And if I was a bass, I would 100% eat that. 10 out of 10 would eat all the time. Any bait with one treble that moves fast. It's just hooking up is a challenge. Oh, there's another lure in here. What is it? It's small, whatever it is. I knew it! I knew he was gonna send me this. See, this right here is proof that Mike and I have very similar minds. I'll give you an up close look at this lure right here if you can't really see it from inside the package. But it's a dong lure. It's a wiener lure. It's a penis with treble hooks on it. The funny part about this isn't the fact that it is a lure that looks like a dong, but the fact is I sent Mike a wiener lure as well. So we both sent each other wiener lures. That was the only consistency I think so far with this challenge. Everything else I sent him was completely opposite to what I got, but that right there is pretty much spot on. So we got two. It was nice that he sent me two though, you know, because like I've got some options. I got one that's maybe like a 3/4 ounce, and then this one's like maybe, I don't know, a 1/2 ounce wiener. Good to work all columns in the water. Thanks, Mike. As ridiculous as this lure looks, it actually, I don't think will be that hard to find fish on it. It's got some flash. It's gold. It's got the little feathered treble. It's primo. What can I say? You know, it's funny, I actually was gonna buy one of these myself, but you know, Mike, you saved me the trip. Thanks so much, bud. Here we go. The last and final lure. Okay, if I had to guess, honestly, if I had to guess, I'd say this is the wiener lure because it feels like there's a bunch of little, oh, it's a soft plastic, whatever it is, it's squishy. This one's from Amazon as well. You can pretty much bet on any lure come from Amazon, it's gonna be a dud. Okay. What is it? I'm not looking. What did he get me? Oh, oh no, this one's sneaky bad. What the hell even is this? There's like a ton of them. Look how many there are. Why are there so many of these? Why did he send me like 100? He did this last time. Mike did this last time in the challenge. He sent me a really dusty saltwater lure, and it was like one of the hardest baits to catch throughout the challenge. Yeah, so it's a little shrimp guy. The shrimp itself isn't bad, but it's this like 4-inch steel leader they attach to it that I think pretty much kills any sort of action you're gonna pull from something like this. As if it had any action in the first place, which it probably didn't. I mean, the bait itself doesn't look bad, but it's like, what the hell is going on here? You got this little bead. Ah, sheesh. From first observation, I foresee this lure and the grand finale little shrimp guy, little shrimpy dude, being the hardest ones to catch fish on this challenge. Hey, thank you so much, Mike, for the lures, dude. I really appreciate it, but at the same time, what the hell? You definitely got a little creative with this. I was a little worried of the first few lures. I thought maybe I went a little bit too hard picking your lures out, but then I came to realize you're just as much of a dick as I thought you were. So thank you so much, bud. No, all jokes aside, Mike and I are really stoked to do this challenge. Like I said, it's been like 3 years since we've done a video like this, so I'm like pretty hyped to see what the response will be on this video if you guys enjoy it. If you guys do enjoy it, I kind of want to challenge other people, other YouTubers to do it, because it was like one of those videos that did really good for me, and then after it did good, I didn't attempt to do it again. But Mike's a fun guy to challenge. He's super into fishing. He's super into challenges, so he's always good to compete with. But I'm pumped to take these lures, put them on the scene, crank some fish with them. I'm very stoked. Like I said, this is part 1 of a 2-part challenge, so you guys will have to stick tuned with the rest of the video. Once this rain stops in New England, I'm gonna rig up all these wonderful, delicious baits, and we will get to fishing. If you guys want to see more unboxings, whether they be dusty lures or good lures, or anything, I don't really care. I'll unbox anything for views at this point, but let me know in the comment section below. Also, be sure to subscribe to Mike. I'll leave his channel down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, folks, keep buying your buddy dusty lures and never stop.
But I'll just show you a quick glimpse of exactly what we're going to be dealing with today. I can't remember the name of this one. This very odd, soft plastic, black spook, hollow body, double hook pointed, rattling, little hot dog deal right here. That fish? First cast! Oh, it's a nicer fish. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. No, he came off. Oh, I got him. He's there. We got him on the mat. Fish number 2. Well, looks like all that hiking paid off. That's a fish. That's a fish. There he is. That's a fish. Oh, it's a big fish. Oh my gosh, a giant smallie. Holy moly. Oh, don't jump. Oh my gosh. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Get on the land. Woo! Gorgeous smallie right here. Man, what a beautiful fish. Oh, I got something. Oh, yes. Let's go. Oh, this bait's such a piece of trash. Count it. There's no size limit on this challenge. God, I saw this 2-inch bass come up and smack this bait. Holy moly, look at that.
Come on, eat the mouse, eat the mouse. Oh, I just had one miss it. Oh, he's got it. He's got the mouse. That was such a light bite. Get in here. Woo! It's late October and I just caught one on a topwater. This fish is freezing cold. This stuck out. This lure's gotta go, so we're just gonna chuck this around for a bit. Oh my God, I just got annihilated. Oh my God, I just got hit again. He cranked the duck. Oh my God, they're busting on bait. They're busting on bait. Oh my God, I got one on the duck. I got one on the duck. Oh my God, it might be a good one too, dude. This might be a good fish. Stay down. Oh, yes. I caught one on the duck. Unfreaking believable. Oh, I got one. I got one. No way. You have got to be kidding me. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Whew. I am in shock. Look what that fish ate. That is like a lettuce crankbait. That is literally a lettuce crankbait that I just caught that fish on. Oh my gosh, well, that's number 4 knocked out. I just have 2 more lures to catch fish on. We gotta see who won.
Yo.
Yo.
How'd you do?
I don't know, how'd you do?
I'm at 5, man. I'm still at 5.
You're still at 5? It's over.
Yeah, I know it's over. I'm done.
You didn't get.
I couldn't get that last bait.
Oh, neither could I, dude.
Wait, you did 5 too?
Yeah, dude. I had the 6 fish hooked twice and it kept popping off.
What bait did you were you stuck on?
The freaking tuna popper, Mike. I got bites at everything, but that one was so ridiculous. All right, so what do we do here?
Well, I guess we both kind of lost, so maybe we both have to do it.